a look what it is. What is that? Oh, that's for me. Yep, that's mine. Ooh.
I think these are...
Oh, those are mine. Don't try stealing those, Christopher. I know what you're like.
They're mine.
I'll give you a pair. One pair for me, one for you. Okay? Those are mine, though.
What patches? Glasses. What is it? Yeah, you have this. And what's in mine? Good. That's everything. Bye, Nana.
Let me see.
Dad,
What did
thank
get
you for the presents. We love them.
Ah. What?
Thank you, Nana.
That's Dad's.
Hey.
How come Christopher always steals? He's stealing the socks, he's stealing the hat. Hat's for Dad, socks for mine. Thanks, Mom.
Thanks,
I get to see them.
Nana.
Oh, nice. Nice fit,
Thank
Mom.
you, Nana. Where'd the socks go? Thank you
Daddy,
for the
Get on the floor right
presents.
there.
Daddy.
Thank you, Nana.
Talia.
Thank you, Nana. I love you so much. I always wanted one of these, Nana.
What is it? Oh, you're going to sew it together.
Chris.
It's a pack of foam hand